Are you looking for a fresh summer scent to diffuse in your diffuser? Let's make this Summer Nights Diffuser Blend so that you can enjoy your summer nights while helping get rid of some of the bugs. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this month's recipe. You're gonna grab your August box and your big bonus box, and we will find which recipe we're gonna get started out with. I'm choosing to start out with my Summer Nights Diffuser Blend. This blend will require you to use grapefruit, bug fighter, and thyme for your essential oils. And from your big bonus box, one of our 5 milliliter bottles. All right, let's get started. I am gonna practice putting my diffuser blend onto my little succulent diffuser just to make sure that I absolutely love it before I put it into the 5 milliliter bottle. All right, so we're gonna put 3 drops of bug fighter first. 1, 2, 3. All right, 2 drops of grapefruit. I absolutely love grapefruit. It's super uplifting. And last but not least, 1 drop of thyme. All right, so for the 5 milliliter blend, we are going to add 51 drops of bug fighter, 33 drops of grapefruit, and 16 drops of thyme. All right, now that all of our essential oils are into our bottle, I'm gonna swirl it around a little bit so that they are mixing well together. And last but not least, I'm gonna label it. Right, now that I have this guy labeled, we're all set. You can make this Summer Nights Diffuser Blend too. Let's test it out. I absolutely love it. It makes me feel like I'm sitting out on my back patio, there's fireflies going around, and it just feels very summery. Another added bonus for this diffuser blend is that it should help keep some of the mosquitoes away. It does have our signature bug fighter essential oil blend in it, which can help get rid of some of the mosquitoes. I love seeing all of your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of all of this month's recipes that you made. Take from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that we can see all your lovely creations too. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make all natural products. Go get yours today.